So let's say it as is. Most bathrooms are fine, but we in Green Bay Remodeling, we do things a little bit different. Follow me. This 2.5 bathroom remodel was about more than updating tile. It was about turning ordinary into unforgettable. I manage everything from the city paperwork to the final detail, so my client could really focus on the fun part and just loving the result. So what's my job, you ask? I keep the kills in check. If you are considering a remodeling, let's make it beautiful and let's make it easy. My name is Noi and I'm from Green Bay Remodeling.